हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ और एआई के बारे में बातें करेंगे। एंड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू शो यू वेयर आर ट्रेड्स आर बिकॉज वी सी अ dip in the market and we wanted to buy that dip, but I think we are just gonna wait for some more time because एक और डिप आ सकती है। तो चलिए पहले न्यूज़ की तरफ चलते हैं, क्या हुआ है हमारे दुनिया में इतने दिनों में। तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि एआई एजेंट स्टार्ट्स क्रिप्टो माइनिंग विदाउट ह्यूमन ऑर्डर्स। तो एआई के पास इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं करने को, बट स्टिल इट वेंट टू माइन क्रिप्टो फर्स्ट। सो it shows that even AI needs money. So it is a good news or breaking news. Secondly, AI agents cannot open bank accounts, so they are going to open a crypto wallet or crypto account. So it is also a big news because अगर AI crypto wallet open करने लग गए तो then it's like every crypto wallet will have AI users and they'll just keep printing money, guys. AI is increasing in this kind of manner. AI agents are getting powerful and risky. So a lot of CEOs are stepping down because AI told them to. Like, come on, man. Just give us a better reason. Give us a better reason. I don't know why you're stepping down just because of if AI told you so. But I think if we keep that in mind, अगर हमने AI को ये पावर दी है कि आप CEO को डाउन कर दो, नीचे कर दो, उसको भगा दो, तो फिर हमने बेसिकली AI को न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स की ऑथराइजेशन दे दी है कि अब तुम्हारी मर्जी है भाई, चलाना है चलाओ, नहीं चलाना ना चलाओ, तुमको जैसा ठीक लगे, तुम्हारे हाथ में हमने दुनिया सौंप दी है। वेयर डज इट गोना स्टॉप? इवन यूएस सेड दैट कि हम ही बनेंगे क्रिप्टो की सुपर पावर इन द कमिंग वर्ल्ड। So we cannot stop it. We just cannot stop it. AI crypto agent trend is growing fast. AI are becoming central in crypto. Internal ecosystems are being around AI and blockchain. So हमने इसको ये कहा है कि हमको खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है, बट हम पैसा लगाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हमको सुनने में आता है इससे 1000x 100x रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं। सो ऐसा नहीं है दोस्तों। अगर तुमको 100x रिटर्न्स मिल रहे हैं मतलब किसी का पैसा तुम्हारे पास जा रहा है और उससे खाली हो रहा है। सो एंड I think we should live in a world where a balloon seller or a hat seller should be happy by giving you a hat, and whoever is using the hat should be happy by taking in the hat. So ऐसा वर्ल्ड बनाना मैं चाहता हूँ जिसमें हम सभी we should be really happy and cheerful, and I don't think like this world is gonna create by AI because we have all seen the Terminator, we have all seen the robot films. So it's a mess, guys. Like even AI wants to help us, but by taking our jobs. So how are we going to make money? How we are going to survive if AI will do everything for us? Of course we appreciate the help, but is it really necessary? हम क्या करेंगे भाई? अगर सब कुछ एआई कर देगा, कल को वो डिश वॉशिंग कर देगा, क्लोथ्स वॉश कर देंगे, हमारी असाइनमेंट्स, हमारी पढ़ाई, हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स, एवरीथिंग विल बी डन बाय एआई। सो वेयर वुड द नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग विल गो? क्या वो सिर्फ डिलीवरीज लगाता रहे? अब तो ड्रोन्स भी आ गए हैं डिलीवरी के लिए, तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे भाई? सो आई रियली वॉन्ट टू नो योर ओपिनियन. I really want to know what you think about it, and we have to work together because AI is gonna replace everyone, even me. So before that, before AI comes here and talk to you, I want to be there for you and talk to you about it so that we have a solution. Even if there is no solution, we should talk about a solution. And market is in a mess right now because of war, and there was a dip in the market. So Bitcoin went from $70,000 to 66 or even $65,000. So you see that we are in a bear market as well. So I want you guys to be really prepared for it because we are going to buy another dip. If you are following along, if you are not, do check out my videos even for like some time. So if you are not, we are going to buy another dip at $60,000 if there is any, because we are in a bear market, so it is possible. But the thing is, we are not in a rush. We want to be in a calm, respected manner with ourselves, because if we are in a rush, then we are going to lose everything. We don't want to lose anything, guys, not even a dollar. So it's okay, it's fine. We are just waiting. It's okay to wait. It's okay to wait and watch rather than just doing anything without thinking about it. So it's okay, it's fine. Another important update I want to share with you guys, that my app SafePay is live on Google Play Store. So I really appreciate if you guys give it a go, if you just download it on your Android devices. And if you are using Apple, just go to Chrome, type in safepay.in, and just click on the share option on the right hand top corner, and click on add to home screen. Using that method, you will be able to use it on iPhone as well. So I'm really excited for this. I really really wish that you guys give it a go and tell me about it, what kind of experience you find. And if you have anything to share, just share with me. I'm on X, I'm on everywhere. It's social media, guys. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You have to be everywhere. Thank you.